thank you for joining us again for another educational solution video for your IMEX panel. Today we want to discuss the possibilities of utilizing a camera or visualizer in your lessons. I know many teachers would use this as a tool very effectively. And again, in the environment we're living in now, where there's potential bubble situations ongoing, and that could be more and more a part of our lifestyle, this is again a very handy asset to have. As you can see, I have a camera installed up here. I've simply plugged it into the USB port at the front. There's no software installed or anything like that. It's very simple plug and play. I go into my applications and I launch the visualizer. It syncs up and there we are. So again, imagine you could run an entire assembly in one person in an office, just set up with a camera, and you could link this up to panels throughout the entire school. This functions on Microsoft Teams, Google Play, Collaborate Ultra, anything like that. Again, there's a world of possibilities if you just utilize the visualizer feature on this.